What's up everyone, I'm Roxy and today is day 18 of my 30 days to get your life together productivity series. So if you're new to my channel and you have no idea what I'm talking about, basically every single day for the month of June I'll be posting a productivity challenge to help you get your life together. I will link in the playlist series down below so you can check out the rest of the challenges and see a little bit more about what it is. June means it's mid-year, 6 months have already passed, and I made this challenge so that we won't let the rest of 2019 fly by without doing something for ourselves. So before I tell you what today's challenge is, be sure to follow me on Instagram. It is my only social media and there's so much exclusive lifestyle content over there that you don't want to miss. So today's challenge is going to be all about decluttering your makeup. I know, it could be kind of overwhelming. If you can't do this challenge today, feel free to schedule it into your life whenever you can. But for those of us who can't do it today, let's just take 10 minutes to go through our makeup and declutter everything that we are not using. Old makeup, old mascara, old foundations, old lashes. I am guilty of that like no other. And we are basically gonna check the expiry date on all of our makeup. I found like really cute infographics on the like timeline of your makeup, and I will link it down below so you can see which makeup you have had for way too long and what you should be throwing away. And you're gonna have so much fun doing it. If you need some inspiration for decluttering and organizing your makeup, I have a video which I will link in right now on the screen and down below that you can check out and see my technique for decluttering your makeup and the things that I use to organize my makeup and make it look all pretty and tumblr and cute. Of course, as well as makeup, this applies to skincare products. Sometimes you have like old tubes of like facial cream and stuff that you are not using anymore. Maybe you have some dried up oils. I have some of those which I am going to throw away in this challenge because of course I'm doing that with you. Something that you also want to do today is wash your makeup brushes, and oh my god, I need to do that. Like I really do. I am so excited to actually do this with you and wash my makeup brushes because sometimes I go months, I know, TMI, and I'm so nasty, but I go months without washing my makeup brushes, and that's obviously not good for my skin because it will trap all that bacteria in it and all that icky stuff. Okay, so these are my makeup brushes and they're pretty dirty, as you can tell. So awkward. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash all of these. And I'm actually seeing brushes in here that I don't really use that much, so I'm gonna sort through what I'm actually using and then just pack away the ones that I don't use, and then I'm just gonna obviously keep the ones that I use all the time on my vanity area. Yeah, let's get to washing these brushes. Okay, so I've just washed my brushes. Look how clean this one came back. I can't believe it. I am so shook at how gross my brushes were before. So I'm going to just let them air dry, and then I'll sort out which brushes that I will be keeping and which ones I will just be packing away, because like I mentioned, I want to make sure and keep only the brushes on my vanity area that I use all of the times. So I am so happy that one more thing is checked off of my to-do list. I'm really happy about having clean makeup brushes. So let me know how your makeup brush cleanup goes. I would love to know. So while I was cleaning my makeup brushes, I also decided to just wash this out, which is the brush holder. I just use one brush holder because like I said, I try to minimize how much brushes I keep on my vanity area and only use what is essential. It makes no sense to have clean brushes but dirty makeup brush holders, so I got this. So I'm very excited to see what you think about this challenge, and let me know how much makeup you gave away or how your decluttering of your makeup went. So that is today's productivity challenge. If you enjoyed it and you're excited for the rest of the videos in my 30 days to get your life together productivity series, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. It means so much to me and supports my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of the challenges I have coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for my next productivity challenge. Bye! Mwah.